Hey y'all, I'm at Table Rock State Park and it's drizzling a bit, but I was gonna go hiking, but I don't know because I got my paddleboard and this lake looks so cool and it just looks very mysterious right now. There's a lot of fog and oh my goodness. I did figure out that South Carolina State Parks actually encourages you to post on social media, so I'm going to take that as a win, and I'll just start tagging them in every social media thing I do, because apparently they like that. It's just so cool, like how the fog is on the lake. Do I want to boat? Do I want to go on a paddleboard? Or do I want to go hiking? I don't know. Choices. I love the fog. But of course, I could get lost. So I get to bring my compass. Anyway, I don't know. So many choices. So many adventures to be had. I will watch the compass. Is this the restrooms? There's the restrooms. Alright, is there an outlet in the restrooms or around? Oh, there's an outlet. It's kind of in the rain though. What time is it? It is 4:22, so I got 40 or 38 minutes before the trail's closed. So 19, 20, 38, 19 minutes. I got 19 minutes out, 19 minutes back. I can set an alarm on my watch. Oh, there's a little waterfall here. Oh well, I might not even post this one because since I only have a limited amount of time. Let's see how far we can get in 19 minutes, or where we can get in 19 minutes. And there's a little waterfall there too. It's so cool. Yes, I'm using a Ziploc bag to protect my phone. It's raining. But you know what rain means? It means the waterfalls will be beautiful tomorrow. I wonder what time they kick you out of the lake. This is really pretty. I'm gonna come. Apparently they have cabins and like fancier places to stay here. So you could have a nice little honeymoon or vacation with the family in a cabin. They got some cabins. They look really cute. They're like log cabins. But yeah, I'm trying to be cheap. I asked the lady for a discount because of the rain, but she said she couldn't give me a discount for camping. It was $26. But like I said, I haven't been camping in a couple of months and I really miss it. So here I am, camping in the rain. I will be camping in the rain. I think since the trail's closed at 5, next thing I'm going to do is try to do a paddleboard. Some paddleboarding today. That's cool. Right. Oh my goodness. There's so many falls. It's so cool. Oh, look, there's a little cave-like area. It doesn't go anywhere. I mean, you can probably get a stroller over here. So the place I'm planning on camping next week is actually free. I was either gonna do that or do a better hike-in site, like a more like, oh, you gotta really hike in. Alright, Sassafras Mountains 9.5 mile trail. Cody State Park is 76 miles. Okay, Pinnacle Mountain Trail, Carrot Creek Trail, Table Rock Trail, Foothills Trail. So there's access to the Foothills Trail. That's what I was thinking about doing backpacking on for the longer trip, but I'm gonna go down the Table Rock Trail. Oh, there's a red and green blazed. So one thing I like about up here is the weather is pretty mild. Florida's too hot to camp. Sometimes in the summer it just gets way too hot. There's only a few months that is not really hot. And up here it's like, well, it might be too cold if I was further up north, but here it's only going to be like 40 degrees, I think, at the lowest tonight. So as long as I stay dry, it'll be good. They put the rocks in a line. I wonder if that's to prevent erosion. See right there? The rocks are like in a line. I know that was on purpose. Believe it or not, I am going to try to start a fire in the rain if it's raining, or in the wet if it's wet. It's a challenge. I have some paper and stuff. I didn't get chips. I was gonna get chips because chips are really easy to light up. But I want to make some roasted apple. I like to roast apples on the fire and put cinnamon on, sugar, sometimes sugar on them. So I really want to try to build a fire. If not, I do have my little camp single burner that I can use. That's interesting. It's like a, did this say something? I think that might have said something. I don't know. But, oh, another bridge. It's a pretty new bridge. Another waterfall. I'm so glad I came here. There's so many waterfalls. It's cool. And more of those trees I've been wondering about. Okay. It's all two different leaves. Maybe there's an overlook up here. Did I make it somewhere cool? Cooler than waterfalls. There's two different trails here. I kind of like this trail. It looks more used. Trying to see if I can get to an overlook or something before my 19 minutes is up. Gotta make sure I get that flashlight out of the bathroom before they lock it. So, yeah, I don't have a ton of time to do anything because I do work a full-time job. But I'm gonna try my best in between work. And when I build up some PTO, maybe I can take some longer trips. You know, the good thing about this head mount for my phone is that I could use it as a tripod too. Neck holster. Neck holster kind of mounts. Looks like I'm coming up to something. Hopefully I'll make it before the time runs out. Looks like I got 4 minutes. About 4 minutes left to make it somewhere. Whew. Oh, that's cool. That's a long drop. Trees falling down over there. Looks like I'm getting somewhere. Whew. I'm just ever coming around an edge. Wow, look at that waterfall. That is so cool. This looks like it could be hard. Whew. The lady said I could take my paddleboard over the lake, but don't fall in because swimming is not allowed right now. It opens back up in the summer. They have swimming at the lake. Reaching the top of something, hopefully. Can't believe I still have time left. That's my timer. But I'm gonna see just over this hill. See if that's where there's an overlook. Just come all this way. My glasses are all foggy. Oh no, it doesn't look like it. What does this say? You need to stop and drink some water. That was a good workout. I don't like gyms, I like trails. Okay. Table Rock Trail, Carrot Creek Trail. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make it. Let me see this. It's Mountain Laurel Trail. Oh wow, we did get some pretty good views. Oh, if you look behind us, let me see how far the rest of the trail is. Where is it? Did I drop my trail map? Shoot. Maybe I'll find it tomorrow. No, it's in my... Is it in my pockets? No. Shoot. I don't like leaving trash. Let me see. Did I really do that? I got nuts. I got keys. If I dropped it, I'm gonna have to turn around because I am just totally not okay with that. Let's see here. I hate trash. I just want to keep everything beautiful. Sorry for the bouncing. Yay, I found the map. Alright, one less piece of trash. Yeah, as always, thank y'all for watching and joining me.